What do you got?
Howdy, folks.
Yep.
Today it's December 10th,
3/4.
and we've got two guys from Fireside installing the fireplace. They cut a hole in the wall.
About 5.
Still closer to 3/4.
And now what they're doing is
There we go, a 16th in between them.
they lifted the fireplace up onto the,
Just double check it out to the edge.
Huh?
Double check it out to the edge.
$12 shy?
To the edge of the plywood.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna go your way just a little bit more then.
11 7/8.
Okay.
and what they're trying to do right now is get the thing centered between the two windows. And they put those two 2x4s down so that when we do a slab, it will be about 1.5 inch slab, and that way the slab won't be any higher than what the fireplace is.
That silicone before it freezes. Yep. And then we'll roll on that line.
And he's the other guy's going to go out now because they had done a hole, made a hole through here, and he's going to go out and silicone and seal up that hole so that we don't get a lot of cold air through there. So that's it.